Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ram 1500. Stock number is A8268. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed, Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.